Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chat. I'm Mark.
And I'm Lisa. We are so happy you're here today.
Today, we have a very useful topic for you.
Yes, today we will learn English speaking for the office.
Office English. Very important, right?
Yes, very important. Many people work in offices and they need to speak English.
So, let's start. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Do you work in an office?
Or maybe you will start working soon.
Then this lesson is perfect for you.
Learning office English will help you a lot.
You can talk with your boss,
You can talk with your coworkers.
and you will feel more confident.
Yes, confidence is very important.
So stay with us. This lesson will change your English. Do you work in an office?
Or maybe you will start working soon?
Then this lesson is perfect for you.
Learning office English will help you a lot,
You can talk with your boss. You can talk with your coworkers.
and you will feel more confident.
Yes, confidence is very important.
So stay with us. This lesson will change your English.
But Lisa, many people feel shy in the office.
Yes, Mark, that's true. They are afraid to speak English.
They think, what if I make a mistake?
Or they think, my English is not good.
And then they stay quiet.
But staying quiet is not good.
You need to practice. You need to speak.
Don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes.
Yes, mistakes help you learn.
So today we will practice together.
We will practice slowly.
We will use simple sentences.
You can repeat after us.
Yes, repeat after us. That will help you remember.
And you can pause the video. Take your time.
Don't rush. Speak slowly and clearly.
Okay, Lisa, let's start with the first part.
Let's do it.
Imagine you arrive at the office in the morning.
What do you say?
Let's practice.
Good morning, Mark.
Good morning, Lisa. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did. It was nice. And you?
Yes, it was good. I relaxed at home.
That sounds nice.
Okay, now let's practice again.
This time, repeat after me.
Ready?
Good morning. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thanks. Did you have a good weekend? Yes, I did. It was nice.
Great job. Now let's try again.
This time, Lisa will say it.
Good morning. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thanks. Did you have a good weekend? Yes, I did. It was relaxing.
Perfect. You are doing so well.
Keep practicing. Don't stop.
Now, let's talk about speaking with your boss.
Sometimes you need to talk to your manager.
You need to be polite and clear.
Let's practice.
Excuse me, Lisa. Do you have a minute?
Yes, Mark. What do you need?
I have a question about the project.
Sure. Go ahead.
Can you help me with the report?
Yes, of course. I can help you.
Thank you so much.
No problem. When do you need it?
By Friday, please.
Okay. I will help you before Friday.
Thank you, Lisa.
You're welcome, Mark.
Now, let's repeat these sentences.
Listen carefully and repeat.
Excuse me, do you have a minute? I have a question. Can you help me? Thank you so much. When do you need it? By Friday, please. I will help you.
Good. Now, one more time. Excuse me, do you have a minute? I have a question. Can you help me? Thank you so much. When do you need it? By Friday, please. I will help you.
Excellent. You are learning fast.
Keep going.
Sometimes you need help from a coworker.
A coworker is someone who works with you.
Let's practice asking for help.
Hi, Mark.
Hi, Lisa. What's up?
I need some help.
Sure. What's the problem?
I don't understand this email.
Okay, let me see.
Here it is.
This email is about the meeting.
Oh, I see. Thank you for explaining.
No problem. Happy to help.
You're very kind.
Anytime, Lisa.
Now, let's practice these sentences.
Repeat after Lisa.
I need some help. What's the problem? I don't understand. Let me see. Here it is. Thank you for explaining. Happy to help anytime.
Now, repeat after me. I need some help. What's the problem? I don't understand. Let me see. Here it is. Thank you for explaining. Happy to help anytime.
You're doing great.
Don't give up.
In the office, you also talk on the phone.
Phone calls are very common.
Let's practice a phone conversation.
Ring ring.
Hello, this is Lisa speaking.
Hi Lisa, this is Mark.
Hi, Mark. How can I help you?
I'm calling about the meeting.
Yes? What about it?
Is it today at 3 p.m.?
No, it's tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Oh, okay. Thank you for letting me know.
No problem. Talk to you later.
Yes, thank you. Now, let's repeat.
Listen and repeat.
Hello, this is Mark speaking. How can I help you? I'm calling about the meeting. Is it today at 3 p.m.? No, it's tomorrow at 3 p.m. Thank you for letting me know. No problem. Talk to you later.
Now I will say it. Hello, this is Lisa speaking. How can I help you? I'm calling about the meeting. Is it today? No, it's tomorrow at 3 p.m. Thank you for letting me know. No problem. Talk to you later.
Wonderful. You are doing so much.
Keep practicing every day.
Sometimes you need to take a day off.
Or maybe you need to leave early.
Let's learn how to ask politely.
Excuse me, Mark.
Yes, Lisa. What is it?
I need to ask for a day off.
Okay. Which day?
Next Monday, please.
Can I ask why?
I have a doctor's appointment.
I see. That's fine.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Take care.
Thank you.
Let's practice these sentences.
Repeat after Mark.
Excuse me, I need to ask for a day off. Which day? Next Monday, please. Can I ask why? I have a doctor's appointment. That's fine. Thank you so much. Take care.
Now repeat after me. Excuse me, I need to ask for a day off. Which day? Next Monday, please. Can I ask why? I have a doctor's appointment. That's fine. Thank you so much. Take care.
Amazing. You are doing very well.
You can do this.
At the end of the day, you say goodbye.
Let's practice that.
Okay, Lisa. I'm leaving now.
Okay, Mark. Have a good evening.
Thank you. You too.
Take care.
Yes, you too. Thank you.
Let's repeat this.
Repeat after Lisa.
I'm leaving now. Have a good evening. Thank you. You too. Take care.
Now repeat after me. I'm leaving now. Have a good evening. Thank you. You too. Take care.
Perfect. You are learning so fast.
You did it. You practiced office English today.
Yes, you should be proud of yourself.
Don't worry if you made mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
The more you practice, the better you will get.
Yes, practice every day.
Even 10 minutes a day is good.
Speak English with confidence.
You can do it.
We believe in you.
Now we will give you some sentences.
You speak them out loud.
We will pause for you.
Ready?
Sentence 1. Good morning. How are you?
Sentence 2. Excuse me, do you have a minute?
Sentence 3. I need some help, please.
Sentence 4. Thank you for explaining.
Sentence 5. I'm calling about the meeting.
Sentence 6. I need to ask for a day off.
Sentence 7. Have a good evening.
Sentence 8. Take care.
Great job! You are speaking English.
Keep practicing like this every day.
So that's it for today's lesson.
We hope you learned a lot.
Now you can speak English in the office.
You can greet your coworkers.
You can talk to your boss.
And you can make phone calls.
All in English.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Yes, click the like button.
And subscribe to our channel.
Daily English Chat.
We make videos like this every week.
And don't forget to turn on the notification bell.
So you never miss a new video.
Also, leave a comment below.
Tell us, do you work in an office?
Or what English topic do you want to learn next?
We read all your comments.
Thank you so much for watching.
Keep practicing.
Keep learning.
And remember, you can do it. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.